So here's how you get to editing your school webpage. You're going to go to schools.maybank.isd.net/edit. And that'll pull you here to your login page. Your login ID is going to be your first name and last name, no spaces. Your password will be your campus. So if you're at Southside, Southside. If you're at Lakeview, Lakeview. You may have already, if you've already started a website, you may have already saved your password there. So once you log in, you'll come up to your page, and then this right here will tell you if it's still new, if it's unpublished, or if it's published. So I have published mine this past Monday. So you just click on it to go into it, and then this is mine where I've already started on it. Yours, if it's your first time, is probably going to be a blank screen. So you'll first pick your layouts. So this one right here is just the one column that I put up here. And then underneath it, I have the toggle one. So this is the toggle area where it comes up, and then show you the preview. It comes here. I click on that, and then it drops down. So how you get that is you just, like underneath here, you just grab it, drag it, and where that red bar pops up, so this one says it's going between them. This one puts it in the toggle, so it'll be a toggle within a toggle. This puts it between the two, and then down here is underneath everything. Or I could put it just underneath my picture, which is what I did. I can put it over here. Wherever that bar goes, that's where it pops in. So this is a single column. This is the tab strip. That's this one here, where when you drag it up there, you're just going to get a plus sign. You'll click on the plus sign, and that's how you'll add your new tab. Or I can modify my information sheets. So those are the main things. You could make this like this here is a 3 column that I just dragged this and put it underneath here, the main one, so it has 3 columns now underneath that badges tab. If I put it over here, I'm going to have 3 tiny columns attached to my toggle. Here, this is going to be underneath what's already there. So those are your main ones, those are your main columns, and then this is the tab strip where you can switch between them and it shows different things. And then the toggle is this one here where it just drops down. Now, code object, that's what this is. That's where if I go to my preview, it's a little bit more advanced. That's if you wanted to put, like, this is my remind feed. So it says where I'm going to be, when I'm going to be there. There's also, these were the code objects also. The connection was reset. I'll have to go in and look at those settings. So these are just the different things, like this is a video where I did it as a code object. You can just do the image. This is where I took an image and I just dropped it right there. And so now you just click on the upload image. You find it in your computer. Like pictures, picture I took, and then apply. And so now it shows the picture. If you don't want it there, you can just drag it to the trash can. And actually, I don't think you can drag it to the trash can, but you can click over here and remove it. Yes, I want to recycle and get rid of it. Text editor, that's this. That's just, you just, again, drag and drop. And that's where you can go in and you just start typing. You can change some of the layouts a little bit. It looks kind of like Docs, Word, all of those. You can have hyperlinks in there. You can do, it's limited on your text and the styles of them. You can change the sizes, and you can change, that's about it. So I'm going to remove that. Remember, when you type, you'll have to save your changes before you navigate away from that window. Image gallery is like It'll do a series of pictures in there. You just upload all the pictures you want it to go. Media player is where you can upload videos. Like you just drop it in there. I did mine with a code object. You can just upload it as a video. I was just doing some testing on that. I'm not sure what this one does yet. So when I know, I'll let you know. Modules, like if you're going to do a calendar, you can drop a calendar up there. A form builder, I'm not too sure of. So these are more advanced programming. You may not want to worry about that. Okay, so there's your basic information on how to get to your site and how to do some basic editing of it and what the different layouts do. When you're done, you can preview the page, and that'll show you what it looks like live. So there's my fun videos. Don't know if it'll work. So I created a Powtoon video on the 4 C's. This one I need to look into. Here was how to do QR codes within your classroom, and then the steps on a couple different help sheets that I've created. So when you're done and you're ready for it to be posted to the site, you just send me an email after you have clicked publish this page. And then you'll say, okay, you want to publish the page. That's when you're done. Remember, don't mess with anything up here. That's set. You can't mess with it anyway. You just send me the email and we'll get you linked up to the school's website. Go back to Project Manager, get you back to this page. So mine says published, and then I modified it today. So it changes. Make sure you do log out when you're done. And if you tell it to save your password, then that gets you a mark off on the badge document. And then when your site's ready, it gets you another 20 points on the badge document too. So let me know if you have any questions. All right.